Vocabulary building. Gift. I bought her a gift for her birthday. Present. The children received lots of presents for Christmas. House. I live in a big house. Home. I'm going home now. Bye. Trash. Please put this in the trash. Garbage. It's time to take out the garbage. Big. This elephant is very big. Large. Elephants and hippos are both large animals. Small. Insects are small. Tiny. The red ant is tiny. Quiet. In the library, we have to be very quiet. Silent. You should be silent during the speech. Listen. I listen to music every day. Hear. I can't hear you. Please speak up. Jungle. Monkeys live in the jungle. Forest. We see squirrels and rabbits in the forest. Rich. He's not rich. Wealthy. She comes from a wealthy family. Speak. I speak English. Talk. Talk to you later. Shop. In the center of the town, there are many small shops. Store. Let's go to the store. I need to do some shopping. Stay tuned for more.
Thanks for watching. For more lessons, please subscribe. See you soon.